Hello everybody, it is Sean from Cryptic Media here, and today the lovely people at Fifine once again have sent me over something to review. This time, the H9 wired gaming headset. High quality sound, 7.1 virtual surround sound, and powerful 50mm audio drivers. Ooh! You can get it in black, white, or pink. I bet I got the black one. I suppose that fits in better with actually, oh no. Yeah, I got a white mouse and keyboard, but everything else is black, so that'll fit in nicely. Why have I got a white mouse and keyboard? I don't know, back to the video. We're gonna unbox it, see what's inside, and we will give it a little try. See what it's like. Okay, we are back. So here we have the headset. Little boom, just straight in there. So that's nice. Sometimes you just want to listen to music and like not have this like in your face. So that's very nice. The cushions feel nice and squishy, nice and soft. Yeah, this feels steady. It feels quite light. I don't have a scale, so I can't really say how much they weigh. I should get a scale. Okay. They do feel very light. I'm shouting now. Hello, look at me. I'm on one. I don't really use these on these microphone or this thing. Feel like a pilot. What else do we have? We have halfway down. Oh yeah, that's another interesting thing. So we have your doodah. Woo! So you've got volume for your microphone and volume for your headset, and then we've got a 7.1 surround sound button. So we're gonna need to play some music. So when I was doing that little test, you could kind of tell it was like this side, back there, front here, this side. And then when I had the 7.1 surround sound on, it was like, say there was a helicopter sound behind here, you also got a faint bit of it here. So it's like you're a bit more immersed in it. It's not like just I'm right over here. So it might have been coming around here a bit. It's quite hard to explain. But what's easy to explain is it sounded good. Yeah, I think they sound good. I've listened to some music. I listened to a surround sound test thing. Listened to a couple of like different genres of music, shall we say. The bass isn't that bassy, but I'm not an audiophile. I'm not that well versed to say what sounds good or bad or treble or tinny. I know what sounds good to me. You know what I mean, don't you? Yeah. So these sound good to me, and when I press that 7.1 surround sound button, they sound even better, which is great. So another thing, you also get a little clip clip, 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 and we get a mute microphone, on, off, on, as well as this. We have a nice little jack, so if you play Xbox, let's just put that there a second. So I play the Xbox a bit, mainly Fortnite, because we used to play it as a family, and I'd play it on my PC, and then my PC's old and it just started crashing, and then we got an Xbox One, is it? I don't know. And by golly, that looked good. But anyway, my headset for my PC, what I have been using, has the two cables. So when it comes to going on my Xbox, I can't talk. I can only listen. But this, I just boom, 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 and that's for both. How good's that? So console players, PlayStation, Switch, these will be good for you. I'm looking forward to trying them. Oh, we should do a microphone test. Oh, no, I'm opening Epic Games. Never mind. 1 second. Okay, so this is how the microphone sounds. Don't know if it makes a difference how close you have it or not. That was a bit too close. That hit my teeth. Told you I'm not used to these things. How's this sound? Does it sound okay? You can be the judge of that. My verdict. What do I think of them? I mean, I feel like they're a good, solid build. Like, I don't think they're gonna break easy. I mean, I was giving that some welly then. One little thing that I have about them is the size of this bit. Like, I have quite big ears, so like my ears will fit in them, but only just. But that's probably a me thing. I should get smaller ears. If you got £45 and you're looking for a new headset, consider these. Yeah. Fifine H9. Great for PC. Great for consoles. What more can you ask for? That'll do. Was it a review? I think it was kind of a review. I'm not very good at reviews. I've said it before. I need to learn some techier words and become more knowledgeable. But that's where you learn, don't you? Look. Yum, yum. It's a burger. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.